Hello, welcome to this conference organized by Electrical Mirror, and we're going to start by just asking a very common question as session 1 has just ended. So, what are your basic takeaways from session 1?
Yeah, it is a pleasure to meet the industry experts and also share the knowledge between each other so that we will know what is going on the technologically and in this digital world in case of power sectors and the test and measuring equipment. So it was a good opportunity to meet all the experts, and thanks to Electrical Mirror for arranging such an wonderful session.
Sir, if I may ask, what was the one topic during the session that intrigued you the most?
Digitalization, of course, the digitalization, that is what is driving the world, and everything is changing around the digitalization, and it is having multiple advantages. The people are making it more opex benefit, capex benefit, and the carbon emission reduction and human safety. So all those things are moving around the digitalization. It is saving time, it is saving energy, it is saving currency worldwide. So this is really interesting topic of today. Yeah.
Sir, if now that we have been talking about digitalization in electrical field and in general as well, how would you like to explain it to our audience in a very layman language if you can?
Yeah, as in my session you have seen how the technology traveled from manual equipment towards the artificial intelligence and IoT utilization in order to get more and more benefit. It reduces shutdown time. It gives the centralized guidance of the expert. It reduces the optimization of the resources and increases the profitability. The whole world is moving towards it. That is why ISO 55001, that is coming in picture, and that is becoming more popular in western part of the world. Similarly, it will be more part of Asian world. So every big companies are going for ISO 55001 certification, which is actually a asset productivity driven. So that is only possible with the digitalization. When your equipments are connected, or if your assets are whispering about their health. So if that is only possible with the digitalization, with the sensors and with the artificial intelligence, cloud connectivity, big data is going to play a massive role in here. So that's what is happening, and you are giving a platform for bringing down all the experts together so that they can share the knowledge and we can make this world beautiful to live.
Sir, now that we are talking about digitalization, it will change the consumer as well. But what will be changed, like the producer, the manufacturer as well? Like they will put in more of digitalization in their manufacturing, in their products, in their team, whether it's research and development and manufacturing as well. So, how your company is contributing to that level?
Yeah, in this present advanced changing world, change is only the constant, I can say. So we have traveled a long journey. We were making manual test equipment, then digital, then PC connected, and now we are making all the equipments cloud connected, so that everything is available on the cloud, and you can have a fleet monitoring of all your assets, and you can only concentrate where there is a need, like a doctor. A specialized doctor is only attending the patients in the ICU first. So similarly, in the power sector equipment, our equipments will help in giving the indication of which assets need the attention of the experts. So that is way it is saving the time of the expert, it is saving currency, it is saving really, as I told, capex, opex, carbon emission, and the human safety.
Okay, moving to the last question, what do you think will be the possible future of digitalization in electrical grids if we talk about, or in this particular field? What do you think will be the future in India and abroad?
Yeah, everything will be at the fingertips. Even all the actions will be automated because of the digitalization. And electricity to all is possible because the less shutdowns will be possible. This market will be more competitive because of the changes what is happening from thermal to renewable, and the digitalization is coming in every plant, every way, and there will be more and more standards like ISO 55001 which will come in picture, and the people have to adhere to those standards. Ultimately, the more productivity driven assets will come in the market.
Thank you so much, sir, for your great discussion, for great points and your time.